Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Sign into the associated Apple ID or Google account from another device. Use known credentials now so you can ping the phone and view its last location. Once signed in, enable location services and remote actions like ring, lock, or erase if available. Make sure to note timestamps and battery indicators shown. They guide your next move. While you do this, prepare contact numbers for people nearby so you can call for help if the device shows as reachable. Once located on the map, approach decisions. If the phone is nearby, use Ring to recover it. If distant or in a public place, enable Lost Mode to lock and display contact info. You should also remotely disable payment options and change key passwords. This prevents misuse. If location is moving, document the path and notify local authorities with timestamps. Make sure to keep the tracking page open and refresh periodically to catch updates. That ensures you act on the latest position and status. You finish by choosing recovery or containment. Arrange a safe meetup if someone will return the phone, or hand details to police if it's in a risky area. If you conclude recovery is impossible, perform a remote erase and immediately rotate account passwords and 2FA codes to secure data. If the device shows offline, don't panic. Use the last seen time and enable notify when found alerts. Once the phone reconnects, you'll receive an update. Keep evidence of actions and receipts for any reports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.